The elevator at the Preservation Hall at UPMC Shadyside in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an 80s Westinghouse. Barely had to press the button. And yeah, I did cut my finger just now. Oh, I didn't do the root closing this time. That's EPCO. Oh, flush panel, interesting. Well, two, meant for door close. Interior go up. Ooh, looks like it hasn't been used in a while. Here two. Same controller, Sears Ross Park. Here two. Back down to one. Door does not close when you press the button, unfortunately. Non-ADA phone. That's how I cut my finger. I should probably do something about that. Basic fake wood grain cab. Definitely from probably the early 80s. Here back at one. There, closing that's gonna be it.